Today on the Mad Lab, we are proud to present to you a project we did for a friend of ours. His logo is his business name on an old-time looking shield. Travis and Jess thought it would be fun to make it in real life. During editing, we realized it was just too long to be one video. We decided to show them making the different parts and then end with Travis putting this piece together. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the big reveal at the end. If you like what we do, please support us by clicking the subscribe button. If you would like to watch the next video in this series, click here. If you'd like to watch the series from the beginning, click here.